So koja kota dia twatepa enhwe nefe so dia noa ye diswa kapopa menia wonsem. Choices, making good choices, and not copy blindly. Yeja your culture, yeja your traditions, all behind, and we've copied blindly the Western culture. There are so many things we've left behind. We've left our names behind. We've taken on Western names. We speak English in the house, in our homes. We don't school our children. We don't teach our children to speak their own language, to speak our language. We've taken on Western ideas, Western ways. In fact, people are stuck overseas. Everybody's ashamed of where they come from. If you listen, the verse 2, akwesi yanto bam so onko na kura sita. Ise mama ni papa mkufi no ro de nako. Osuo se ni pro mama fu obeche na we. Into wenini wudima so ni money dia ho hwe. So akwesi yanto bam his name says Antobam. That means his dad wasn't around for him to enjoy the good things that a dad would provide for a kid. Antobam, Duametobam. He didn't meet the, nice things that his dad would do for him. Now he grows to ask of where and who his father is without being informed that his name is already telling him that his dad isn't around. So yeah, these are some of the things. Sisiata so one of my just on no or yare efesi edino eko ayaresabia, but because his husband says he's a Christian and his ways that will support traditional healing, traditional medicine, the lady had to die, unfortunately. So choices, making good choices and not copying blindly.
Me come a check ya, me ni fear kwine, and yeah, you are kwine, me kokodu ya, me huna me